Hey guys, I am here with some more subscribers that came in. Check them out here. This is Mike. Here's Mike.
How y'all doing?
And they brought me another plate, another Colorado plate. This is crisp, very new, like it's never been used. You take care of your stuff.
Oh yeah.
So you guys are from Colorado?
Yeah.
And how long are you in town for?
We leave next month, and we'll be back probably in another 3 or 4 months.
Nice.
We're planning to stay here in the Philippines.
You're planning to stay over time?
Stay here for life.
Yeah. Are you retiring?
Oh yes. I retired from the Air Force, and I'm done working.
Yeah, I don't blame you. So introduce me to the family here, Mike.
Okay, this is my wife, Alona.
Hello.
This is my brother, Alan.
Alan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is his girlfriend, Juby.
Juby.
Yeah. Juby.
Nice to meet you. Then we got a guy back here. He's doing a little.
Great restaurant, guys.
He's getting mixed in here in the background, whether he likes it or not.
Yeah, that's good.
What do they call that? Photo bomb? We're getting photo bomb. Man, guys, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Mercy's not up yet. It's early, too early for her. We got another plate to hang up, guys. Got some exciting stuff coming up soon. I've been telling you guys, some exciting stuff in the works. Thank you guys for coming by and visiting us. We'll see you again soon, I hope.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody out there in YouTube world? Mercy doesn't have her voice again. Here we are on Walking Street, just doing a little mosey. Got out of the hotel, out of the restaurant for a little bit. Who do we have here? Look at this guy sitting out here just chilling. What are you doing out here, Drake?
Hey guys, what y'all doing?
What the heck's going on in here?
I'm just here guarding the new Papi's location.
Guarding the Papi's location.
The new Papi's Bar and Chill location here on Walking Street.
Man. Looks like it's underway.
It is underway. I didn't tell you about it?
No.
It must have slipped my mind.
It's like a secret.
Not so much a secret. I was just trying to keep things on the down low. But now you know. New Papi's Bar and Chill, street eats
Over here
on Walking Street.
At the Grand Central.
At the Grand Central Hotel.
Yeah, right here in the Grand Central. These guys are busy renovating this place, getting it all set up. We told you guys something was happening, something was brewing, and here it is. Right here on Walking Street. Papi's Bar and Chill, street eats. So yeah, these guys are busy putting in some new everything. We're just redoing it all. Nice little spot to be able to feed some people here. Get them all fed out here on the street.
Right here on Walking Street. You can't beat it. The view, you're gonna love it. You gotta come here, try the food. If you like the food we serve at the main location, you're gonna love the food here with the view.
Absolutely. So we've been talking a long time, Drake, about putting a place out here. Also, we're talking about doing some other things that kind of fell through, but this, as you can see, guys, is happening. This is happening. So no more false alarms. No more BS. Sorry about the noise. These guys aren't going to stop. They said they're going to be done in a week. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, this is going to resemble the Papi's Bar and Chill over there on Don Wico at the Drake Hotel. So when you walk into this little spot, you're going to know where you're at. What do you think about it, silent one? Mercy lost her voice, so she can't talk to nobody. She's squeaking again. Yeah, just doing the squeak. Anyway, this is a great little spot right here. This would be a favorite spot for everybody. Let me give you a little tour. So right here, you have your stoop. So you're gonna get 4 or 5 guys right here on this front. I'd be fighting over this spot, Drake.
Yeah, the perch.
Yeah, they're gonna be fighting over this space right here. Directly across from the Viking pirate ship bar. And there's all kinds of cool things to see at night here. People watching at its best right here.
What kind of food are we gonna do at this location?
We're basically gonna do some simple street-friendly food here. We're gonna do some subs. We got a meatball sub. Got to bring that Dirt Diggler down here.
Oh, yeah.
We got a Dirt Diggler dog we're introducing. Dirt Diggler chili dog. We got some tacos. We got chili. We got a French dip on the menu here.
Yeah.
We got some nachos, biscuits and gravy, of course, for in the morning. Tacos. Oh man, we're gonna serve up some tacos, chili dogs,
And a bowl of chili.
and a bowl of chili if you want it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna seat about what, 18 people in here maybe.
Yeah, 18.
17, 18 people. We're gonna put chairs here. We got a bar top going here along this wall that's gonna come out and turn around and curve around here. We gotta extend this wall out here a little longer. And then over on this side, we're gonna have another bar ledge to sit and a couple of tables here in the middle. So it'll be a little crowded, but you know what? People will come in here and eat and be on their way anyway. Now we got a bar going, an actual bar going right here. We'll be serving alcohol and beer, of course. So we're gonna build as a bar and have a bar rack right up here on top of this, along this wall. And then, yeah, we already got the plumbing in for the bar sink. So that's gonna go well. Gonna get this color theme going. Gonna get some paint going on in here. Now you got these young ladies at the desk here at the Grand Central. Are you booking a lot of rooms at the Grand Central? Fully booked? Nice. That's what we like to hear. Yeah, I think we're fully booked at the Drake tonight as well.
I think so. We are. Must be something going on in town.
Yeah, must be.
I think it's the Pogie convention.
The Pogie
Yeah, the
convention.
mayor sent me some kind of trophy, something. I didn't really pay attention to it, but I think there's a Pogie convention.
So you're also Pogie.
I am the Pogie. If you Google Pogie, it's a picture of me.
That's it.
That's
Wikipedia Pogie,
Yeah.
picture of you pops up.
That's it.
What do you think about that? You think that's right? If you Google the word Pogie, his picture pops up.
That's right. Just Google it, guys.
Google it.
Trust me.
You'll see the Drake. Anyway, guys, we got a lot going on here. It's a couple weeks away, hopefully. Today's what, the 26th? 25th. Okay, I'm a little ahead of myself.
It'll be the 26th when you see this video.
When you see this video, it'll be the 26th. So we got a couple weeks before Papi Street Eats opens up here in the Grand Central Hotel, smack dab in the middle of Walking Street. Gonna head on down the road, let these guys do their work. They're busy, don't want to get hit in the head by something.
Thanks, guys.
Good job. So, did you get dripped on?
Got a grimy walking street shower.
You got a street shower. Here we go. We're gonna head down the street, go find out where Mark parked. We actually got the bike today. Mark's drove and meet us here, so we're gonna head down the street. Mercy said she's not up for a margarita though.
You can
She had enough.
It's okay. You can have one.
She had enough. Mark's not up for one either. I don't drink alone.
No. It's okay.
We'll do it. We'll do it again another time.
There's a lady back there named Kevin.
Kevin, Kevina. You got Kevina back there. There's a lot of Kevinas over here.
Yeah, a lot of Kevins, Steves.
There's the famous Tequila Reef with their famous margaritas that'll put you down and out.
Eric, what kind of margaritas are we going to do?
Well, we're going to have the Papi's Hard Lemonade, of course.
Yeah.
The Papi's Hard Iced Tea.
Yeah.
We're gonna have margaritas.
And we're going to have margaritas, of course.
Straight.
I'm parked over here.
Oh, okay. All right.
All right, guys.
See you guys.
Come and see us soon over at Papi's Bar and Chill Street Eats.
Street Eats.
Go ahead. All right. Show everybody how easy it is to get from Walking Street down to the Drake Hotel.
I can talk.
This is
That
how
is very
easy-
close.
How close to the Drake?
Very.
What does it take to get to the Drake? From Tequila
3 minutes.
From Tequila Reef. Here we go, guys. got to keep merging in, everybody. Merge in. No stop signs here. See you guys?
Not even 3 minutes.
Didn't take that long, did it? Right here next to the Red Planet, the Drake Hotel, Papi's Bar and Chill. Everybody says it's so far from Walking Street. It's not. Look how close we are, guys. Hop, skip, and a jump. Hey, there's Roji.
Not even 3 minutes in your motorbike. So it's not, we're not that far. I said it's not even 3 minutes in the bike.
It's probably about 8-10 minutes. I'll show you a little clock on the video. That was all real-time video. I won't cut it. I won't edit it. What's new with Roji? Say hi to everybody.
Hi everybody, good afternoon.
Now Roji, everybody says we're so far from Walking Street, but we're not. I just proved it. It was like 8 minutes maybe on a motorcycle, and I drove very safe.
I think it's 5 minutes like that.
5 minutes if you're faster, right? There you go. There you go, guys. Take it from Roji. 5 minutes, he says, we can get to Walking Street. Today's traffic, maybe so. But yeah, it's not that far at all, guys. We'll see you down there soon on Walking Street. All you people that love to eat here at Papi's and love to run that street, got some food for you. Ah, here we go. Finally got off that road into the Drake. How we doing, ladies? All good?
Yes, sir. All good.
Yeah. So what, are we selling many rooms at buy 4 nights, get the 5th night free promotion? Oh yeah. We were packed today here, Sunday. We were packed all morning. Finally it let up a little bit. Got about 5 or 6 people in here now. Oh, there's Jack. There's Jack. I thought you'd went home by now. You slept all day, didn't you? Oh, I knew it. Now Jack, if you didn't see our video from Baguio, we met Jack up there in Baguio. We went strawberry picking with him, amongst some other things. Did some touring around together. Had a little night out up in Baguio. Crazy Baguio, right? What's more wild, Baguio or Angeles City?
I don't think there's even
No comparison?
no comparison.
No kidding.
It's conservative.
So you're ready to hit the road here pretty soon, going back? Tomorrow. You're staying another day?
Yeah.
All right. All right, cool. Well, Jack's staying another day with us. Got the music in here playing a little loud. I'm gonna get knocked out. I'm gonna get knocked out with the music. All right, guys, that's it for the video. The silent one's not gonna say anything. Let's see, can you hear her? Thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.
I loved my stay at the Drake Hotel, and the food at Papi's Bar and Chill was amazing. Eric and Fat Drake really took great care of me. And right now, you can stay at the Drake Hotel, and every 5th night is absolutely free. It's terrific.
I stayed at the Drake, hotel, and it was, the thing was great. I ate in the eating place. Papi's something. I think I had a burger or maybe a pizza. All I know is the steak is food. Good night.